Hi, my name is Lorena, and I am one of the Kulula mentors for the 2021 school year. In Kulula, we learn about many important topics, one of them being relationship management. We believe it's important for kids to have relationship skills because through relationships, children learn how to think, understand, communicate, behave, and express emotions. We want to work with kids to help them identify and create positive relationships. To foster these skills, kids are going to be split up into jamas. Jama is Swahili for family or group. Jamas will complete fun and interactive activities together while building trust between the members. Here at Kulula, kids won't just learn what it means to be a friend, but they will also have the opportunity to make friends. We can wait to meet you all soon. Don't forget to sign up at the link below.
Hi, my name is Raven, and I'm one of the Kulula mentors for the 2021 school year. Here at the Kulula program, we believe that parents, guardians, and family are an important part of a child's success. Research shows that caregivers are a huge part of a child's development. Kulula kids are encouraged to work on the skills they learn in program at home with their families. Kids will have the opportunity to work on a family tree, engage in family history activities, and learn about their heritage with their families. Kulula will also have monthly events for kids and their families to engage in fun activities outside of programming, such as movie night. We believe Kulula isn't just for kids, but also for their families. We hope to see all of you January 12th. Don't forget to sign up at the link below. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Laura, and I'm one of the Kulula mentors this year. By participating in Kulula, children will gain greater self-esteem by learning about and appreciating their own racial and ethnic identity at an early age. At Kulula, children will learn about their cultural heritage, ancestry, and history, and why it's important for them to learn that. We will encourage children to develop a strong sense of self-confidence by accepting and understanding their own individual identities. We hope that after participating in Kulula, children will know more about who they are and where they come from. We hope you join us.
Hi, my name is Lexi, and I'm one of the Kulula mentors this year. Through the Kulula program, children will gain social awareness skills through discussions around self-esteem and way to cope with emotions. Participating in Kulula will also provide children with the chance to engage in their community through a civil engagement project where they will aim to make a positive change they feel is necessary. We want children to know that they are unique and special just the way they are. We at Kulula want to ensure that your children learn to love all parts of themselves and especially learn about the importance of kindness and respect for themselves and for others. The Kulula program will be held in an environment that allows children to feel all parts of their identity as valued and celebrated. We hope you join us.